Hey, how's it going, everybody? In this video, I am going to show you how to map your action button to activate your Apple reminders. Let's jump into it. Come over here to your settings, scroll down the action button, and come over here until you see shortcuts. Right there. All right, now choose a shortcut. You're going to be greeted with all this right here. Then you're going to scroll all the way down here, and this is where it's going to get good. You're going to come right here to Apple Reminders, and you're going to see Pin Lists, My Lists, Open List. What we're going to do here, we're going to tap on Pin List. So we're going to tap that. There. Now watch whenever we go out of there. And now, whenever you press your action button, that shows up right there. And these are my pinned lists. Now, let me show you something. So you're going to come in here inside of your Apple Reminders, and you're going to see how I have mine set up, right? Because typically I go to Trader Joe's a lot, I go to Walmart a lot, and I go to Costco a lot. Now, how do you customize this? Tap on those three dots, edit lists, and you're going to see that. Now, if you want to, you can drag any of these you want and put them up there as well. So whenever you press that button for your pinned lists, that's where you're going to get. So let's go ahead and just do that again. So once again, whenever I press that, I get this. So now I tap on the Trader Joe's lists, and boom, you saw what it did there, that little transition thing, right? So whenever I tap my Trader Joe's list, it brings up the Trader Joe's list that I use. We'll come back here again, swipe out of there, tap on it again, and you're going to see the Walmart list. Let's tap on the Walmart list. See how I did that transition over to it, opens up reminders, and it goes into it. So here we are with the Walmart list now. So let's come back over here. I want to show you guys one more thing. So we're going to come over here to settings, tap on pinned list. Now we're doing the pin one, right? So now what you could do instead is tap on this and say you just wanted to open up a list in general, right? Whatever list it is. Say you're, like me, say you're a Trader Joe's fanatic. So every time you come over here and you hit your action button, your Trader Joe's list pops up. Like I said, if you can pick whatever list you want as well. It doesn't just need to be that Trader Joe's list. Whatever list it is that you do the most, that's what you can do. But that's how you go, and that's how you map your action button. So once again, come over here, come to settings. Let's back all the way out, actually, so we can do it all over again. Settings, action button, shortcuts, tap here. And like I said, you can choose from all these. It actually, to me, this action button is actually pretty useful. Then you just come on down like this, come over here to reminders, simply tap on reminders and do whichever one you want. I'm going to stick with the pinned ones because that just makes more sense to me. So whenever I hit that action button, bam, there's my pinned Apple reminders lists. All right, everybody, hopefully somebody got something out of this. Subscribe, and I will catch all of you in the next one. Take care.